Ready to unlock instant savings and fuel perks at Murphy USA with your Walmart Plus membership. First, open your Walmart app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account linked to your Walmart Plus membership. Scroll down until you see the Walmart Plus section. Look for the Scan and Go or Mobile Scan and Go button. This might be in a dedicated fuel section. Tap that button. A QR code will pop up on your screen. This is your magic key to savings at the pump. Head over to any participating Murphy USA gas pump. Look for the QR code scanner on the pump screen. It's usually brightly illuminated. Carefully position your phone so the QR code from your Walmart app is directly in front of the scanner. The pump should automatically recognize the code. Watch the pump screen. You should see a confirmation that your Walmart Plus discount has been applied. Now, simply select your fuel grade and start pumping. Your fuel discount will automatically be applied to your transaction. Easy savings at the pump with Walmart Plus and Murphy USA.